the screen, you can see BricsCAD Mechanical, in particular the Assembly Inspect tool, applied on the crusher assembly. It allows you to specify an assembly sequence to inspect and to quickly review the sequence using the thumbnails and the eye icons. For every step, the applicable assembly criteria are shown. These are specified in the routine. You can evaluate all criteria for all steps in batch, or you can use a more granular approach using the Inspect button next to every criterion and every step. After the calculation, the same page shows all potential assembly issues. You can dive into the details to get a better understanding of the problem. For example, here we see that there might be an issue for the tool range of motion for step 2. Upon closer investigation, it becomes clear that there is no real issue here, since the fastener can initially be fixed using the long arm, only using the short arm for the final few rotations. In step 3, it seems that using the hex key both with the short and the long arm, there is no 360 degrees range of motion. So, while the step is feasible, the assembly process can be made more time efficient and economic for the assembly operator, providing a different longer tool, or by altering the design to support a complete rotation circle. Let's finally investigate the gravitational stability criterion. For step 2, Assembly Inspect gives a green light. This part is fully stable, it doesn't fall, it doesn't slide, it doesn't tilt. For step 6, however, the grill component is clearly not stable. And at the moment the operator loosens the part to grab his tool and fastener, the grill would fall.